Hello, my dear student. Today we will talk about circle and circumference. I bring very nice video. It's about our lesson today. So we will start our lesson by video. I need from you to see it and focus after it, and I will ask you some questions about it. Okay? Are you ready to see the video? Okay, let's see it together.
A circle is a shape with all points on the circle the same distance from the center point. A radius is a straight line from the center to the circle's edge. A diameter is a line across the endpoints of a circle that passes through the center point. A circumference is distance round the circle. Diameter D is twice the radius. Radius R is half the diameter.
Okay, guys, we finished the video. So let's start. First of all, that's the circle. The point in the middle, it's called center. Okay. And you need to know that the circumference is the distance around the circle. So the distance around the circle, it's called circumference, and we give it C. So C represents circumference. Okay, this line is called diameter. We give it D. Is the distance cross a circle through the center. So any line across the center is called diameter. Okay, and we have radius. It's R. It's the distance from the center to any point on the circle. So you need to know that in the circle, the point in the middle, it's called center. The distance that around the circle, it's called circumference. The line that crosses the center is called diameter, and we give it D. So diameter D, and the radius we give it R. The radius is the distance from the center to any point on the circle. Okay. Now let's know the rule. Well, the circumference equal what? We have two rules. The first one, circumference equal pi times d. The second one, circumference equal 2 pi r. Okay. Someone now will ask me, Mass, which rule I will use? It depends on what he gave you in the question. So if he gave you diameter, you will use the first rule. But if he gave you the radius, you will use the second one. Okay? Now let's solve some question together. Here I want from you to find the circumference of each circle. Use 3.14 for pi. So here the pi will equal 3.14. Round to the nearest tens if it's necessary. Okay, so the first one here, this line from the center to the circle, do you think that will be radius or diameter? Super, that's radius. So let's find the circumference together. First of all, let's write the rule. Circumference equal to pi r. Okay, so that will equal 2 times pi times r. So 2 times. He tell you that use the pi 3.14 and the radius here is 4. And that will equal what? 2 times 3.14 times 4 will equal 25.12. To make the multiply in easy way, you can make 4 times 2 will equal 8, then make 8 times 3.14. Okay, let's continue. Okay, now he wants from you to find the circumference. Okay, can you tell me, here he gave you the radius or diameter? Who can tell me? Super, here he gave us the radius. So let's write the rule. Circumference equal what? 2 pi r. Great job. So that will equal 2 times, he tells you that use the pi 3.14, so times 3.14 times the r here is 8. So that will be 2 times 3.14 times 8, and that will equal 50.24. Okay. Okay, let's see the next one. Here, do you think that he gave you the radius or diameter? Who can tell me? Yeah, super. Here he gave you diameter because this line crossed the center, right? So here he gave you diameter equal 37. So let's write the rule. Circumference equal what? By d, right? He tells you that the pi here is 3.14, right? So that will equal 3.14 times the diameter here 37, and when you make the multiply you will get 116.18. Okay, you get it? Super. Now he tells you that diameter equal 3 and he wants from you to find the circumference. Well, now stop the video, try to solve this question alone, then play the video again, comparing your answer with mine. But before you do that, I'm sure that your answer will be correct. So stop the video now. Okay, my dears, welcome back. So let's see your answer. Okay, so tell me the circumference here equal what? Tell me the rule first. Well, mass, here he gave us the diameter, so I will use the rule that contains diameter, super, and that what? Pi times d. So the pi here is what? 3.14, and diameter equal 30. So 3.14 times 30 equal what? Who can tell me? Great job, I can hear you. That's 94.2. Excellent, super. Let's see the next one. Here he wants from you to find the circumference of a circle with radius of 21. So he tells you that the radius is 21. And he wants from you to use the pi that 22/7. So in the other question that the pi was 3.14, but here the pi is 22/7. So it depends on what he will tell you or what he will give you in the question. He will give you the pi equal what, okay? So to find the circumference here, we will use which one? The rule that contains diameter or radius? Super, I can hear you. Of course, we will use the rule that contains radius because here he gave us the radius. So circumference equal what? 2 pi r equal 2 times the pi here 22/7 times 21 equal what? Well, to find the answer in easy way, we can make simplify. So 7 divide 7, 1, and 27 divide 7 equal 3. Now we have 2 times 21, 22 times 3, and that will equal what? Who can tell me? Super, that will be 132. Great job, my dear. And now, habibi, we'll finish our session. I hope you understand the lesson and you enjoy the video. So bye and see you next time, inshallah. Bye.